The Wounded Warrior Project recently took one of their 4-day soldier rides through the Chicagoland area, passing through Des Plaines in the process. The goal of the Wounded Warrior Project is to foster the most successful, well-adjusted generation of wounded service members in our nation's history. The Warriors took to the streets of Des Plaines on day 2 of the trip as part of a 15-mile ride, followed by a friendly softball game against the Rosemont Public Safety Department. The purpose of the Soldier Ride is to utilize cycling and camaraderie to assist with rehabilitation from physical, mental, and emotional wounds. Nearly 50 riders took to the streets to raise awareness of their cause and assist their fellow service members in their recovery. For more information on the Wounded Warrior Project and future soldier rides, visit www.woundedwarriorproject.org.